So in the option, there are four circuit. They are having a resistor and diode. It's known that diode is a device which will work under only the forward bias condition, which means when the terminal of batteries plus connected with positive terminal of a diode, or else negative terminal of battery with negative terminal of diode. If they are inversely connected, we can say it is reverse bias condition. So here the diode will work only under the forward bias condition. And it's known that this is the symbol of diode, and this side is representing the positive terminal. This side is representing the negative terminal. When we are checking the option, in the option A, positive side of diode is connected with positive side of battery. So option A may be the correct answer. Let us check option B. In the option B, positive side of diode is connected with positive side of the battery. So option B may be the correct answer. Let us check option C. In the option C, positive side of the diode is connected with negative side of battery. So this will not get balanced because the diode here is under the reverse bias condition. So option C will not be the correct answer for this question. Let us check option D. In option D, negative side of diode is connected with positive side of battery. So here also under the reverse bias condition, so it will not be balanced. So now we have only option A and option B. So in option A, we can say the right side resistance ratio will be equal to 10 over 15, and the left side ratio will be equal to 10 divided by R, because in the case of diode connection, there is resistor as well as the diode. Even in the diode, there will be the internal resistance. The diode and the resistance is connected in a parallel. So we can write it will be equal to 1 over 5 plus 1 over D, which will be equal to 1 over resultant resistance. So in a similar way, if we are checking B, we can write the right side is having a ratio of 10 over 15 and the left side is having a ratio of 10 divided by R, because there is a diode in a connection again. So here we can write the total resistance will be equal to 5 plus the resistance of a diode, because it was connected in a series connection. So this is what we have in a question. So here, when we are checking the right side, it is equal to 2 over 3. So when we are checking the left side, it was equal to 10 divided by R. In the case of option A, we can say the value of R will be very less, because we are having a diode in a parallel connection. Whenever the diode or any resistor connected in a parallel connection, the net resultant resistance will be less compared to the individual. So here the value of R will be less. When the R is less, what will happen to the value of whole value? It will not be equal to 2 over 3, because whenever the value of R is higher, the denominator is higher, that time only we will get the balanced value. So here when we are checking the option B, we can say the total resistance will become higher because it was connected in the series. So here we can say the R value will be high compared to the individual resistance. So that time maybe it will get balanced based on the logic. So here we can say option B will be the correct answer.